Today we're at EJ Ranch and we're gonna build some sawhorses because we just finished this shed for our chickens and realized that we need some sawhorses to cut some plywood on. So we got 5 pieces of 2x4x8 and then we're gonna make some sawhorses. Now we have to cut 10 pieces that are 30 inches long. So we'll do that now. Started with 5 8-foot long 2x4s. Now we only have one full one and then a little bit left of another 8-footer. Now we're going to cut 4 32-inch boards from these two, and 4 32-inch, and here's our 10 30-inch, and here's what you should have left over. We're going to take one of our 32-inch ones and another 32-inch one, stack them like this, take a 30-inch one, set it in the middle. We'll have about an inch on each side shorter. You're going to make an I-beam like so, with this in the center. I-beam. We grab 2 of our 30-inchers, lay our I-beam over, put it in the corner like that, sink in 4 3-inch screws. These are the sawhorses. They look pretty nice, and you can sit on them. You can also stack them like this. See you later.